AmbitionBox Best Places to Work Awards 2021 recognizes the top companies to work for in India based on ratings shared by employees on AmbitionBox who have worked with a particular company in 2020. In terms of the scale and size, these awards are the first of its kind because A, they are based purely on employee ratings, and B, we have gotten responses from close to 6.5 lakh employees from 2,500 locations across the country. We are really stoked by the response that we got right in our inaugural edition. Winners were chosen for a wide range of awards in each of the 5 main categories: mega, large, mid-size, small, and tech startups, as well as the best employers in each of the top 8 industries: IT, ITES, pharma, banking, financial services, internet, automobile, retail, and construction. A company is classified into various categories based on how many people it employs in India. Mega category if it has more than 50,000 employees, large category if it has between 10,000 and 50,000, mid-size if it's between 1,000 and 10,000, and so on. A company is classified as a tech startup if it leverages technology for their business in a significant way. It should have been founded on or after January 2011, and it should have more than 200 employees in the country. Now, along with this, a company must fulfill some other set of criteria to qualify. A company must not be a government entity or staffing firm, dealer or franchisee, NGO or a social service organization, industry association, and alike. A company must not have, and this is the most important one, a company must not have influenced reviews or have tampered with the process of collecting authentic, unbiased reviews in any way. Finally, a new overall rating is calculated for the shortlisted set of companies. This new overall rating is calculated using our proprietary algorithm. It should be above 3.75 for companies to even make it to the list, and all the ranks are decided based on this new overall rating. In case 2 companies have the same rank, we give them a joint rank using the standard competition method. You can read up in detail about our methodology on our platform in the FAQ section. The most satisfying aspect has been to see how so many organizations have appreciated the credible selection process and how keen they are to improve on the feedback given by their employees. We started AmbitionBox in 2015 to help our users discover best places to work. With more than 4.5 million job seekers using our platform every month, AmbitionBox truly strives to showcase the real picture of a company. Winning among so many companies is no small feat. This award shows that these companies truly care for their employees and have built a great employer brand. It speaks highly of these organizations and the people behind them. I congratulate all the winners again. It's extremely satisfying for me and the entire AmbitionBox team to see that something we have built with all our heart is being loved by so many.